Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new era in the digital world. Today, we're exploring a major shift in technology, the Pi Network's groundbreaking new governance system, which is set to redefine how online communities operate. Imagine a digital world where everyone, not just big corporations or a handful of decision makers, has a real voice in shaping the rules and direction of the network. As of December 22, 2025, Pi Network is empowering its 50 million users to actively participate in shaping its future, giving ordinary people a seat at the table. This is a true milestone for Web3, marking a shift where communities, not just companies, are finally in control of their own digital destinies. For years, the internet was ruled by a few tech giants, with most users having little say in how things worked or changed. Pi Network is changing that by making cryptocurrency and digital ecosystems accessible to all, regardless of background or technical expertise. Now, users can directly influence everything from app development to ecosystem rules, voting on proposals, and shaping the network's evolution together. We'll guide you through Pi's incredible journey, from its humble beginnings as a simple mobile mining app, to its transformation into a thriving digital nation powered by its global community. By the end, you'll see how Pi's governance launch is about more than just technology. It's about people everywhere taking charge of their digital world and building a future together. So, let's dive in and discover how this exciting new chapter in digital democracy is unfolding right now. To truly understand Pi Network's impact, we first need to explore what governance means in the world of Web3. Governance is the backbone of any digital community, shaping how decisions are made and who gets a voice in the process. In essence, governance is how a community makes decisions. Think of it as a digital democracy, where every participant can influence the direction of the project. In Web3, the power shifts from a single CEO or company to the hands of the community. The rules, policies, and even the future of the network are set by its users, not dictated from the top down. Pi Network's vision is to create a digital society that is truly owned and operated by its members, where everyone has a stake and a say in how things evolve. Every pioneer, Pi's users, can help shape the ecosystem, from voting on technical upgrades to suggesting new app policies and community guidelines. Unlike traditional Web2 platforms, where companies control everything from data to decision-making, Web3 distributes power and responsibility across its users, making the system more transparent and fair. Pi's governance launch is a groundbreaking experiment. Can millions of people from around the world successfully manage a digital ecosystem together, making collective decisions that benefit everyone? This launch hands the community powerful tools to propose ideas, debate important issues, and vote on the network's future, ensuring everyone's voice can be heard. It's not just a feature, it's the very heart of Pi's promise, a platform built by the people, for the people, where collaboration and shared ownership drive progress. This is how Pi aims to keep its network decentralized, user-driven, and resilient for years to come, empowering its community to shape the future together. Pi Network began in 2019 with a simple goal: make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, which required expensive hardware, Pi let anyone mine coins with a smartphone. This easy approach sparked explosive growth, turning a small group into a global movement. Today, over 50 million users, pioneers, are part of the network. Pi's strength is its active, diverse community, not just anonymous accounts. The project moved through careful phases, now operating in an enclosed mainnet, where users can test apps and use Pi for real transactions. This protected environment fosters real-world use before opening to external markets. A major milestone activating smart contracts on testnet 2, enabling complex apps and governance tools. Every step has been deliberate, building toward a user-governed digital ecosystem for the masses. A game-changer for Pi was activating smart contracts, self-executing code on the blockchain. In December 2025, Pi's testnet 2 enabled developers to build decentralized apps, or dApps, without risking the live network. The evolution engine was sealed, locking in the rules and ensuring security and trust. This milestone proved Pi was ready for real innovation, from DeFi to games to governance. With smart contracts, Pi became more than a mining app. It's now a platform for building the future of Web3. Developers can create financial tools, games, and the very framework for Pi's decentralized governance. The community's excitement showed Pi was on track for a fully open, community-driven ecosystem. Smart contracts unlocked the door to Pi's next era. Teaching millions about Web3 is tough, so Pi used games to make it fun and accessible. Fruity Pi, launched in June 2025, let users spend Pi coins in-game, proving real utility and digital ownership. Players experienced a functioning digital economy, using Pi for real transactions. Then came Pi Online, a DeFi game with a dual token system, seed for in-game use, PIOL for governance. Holding PIOL lets players vote on the game's future, real decentralized governance in action. Pi Online is run by a DAO, where the community decides updates and features. Incentives like staking rewards and digital land encouraged participation and learning. Through these games, users learned about staking, DAOs, and digital economies, preparing them for Pi's broader governance. These aren't just games, they're educational tools for a 50 million-strong community. Pi's playful approach is building a knowledgeable, engaged user base for its digital nation. The heart of Pi's new era is its decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. In a DAO, members, not leaders, propose, debate, and vote on decisions. Any pioneer can submit a proposal, from changing fees to funding new apps. Proposals are openly discussed, then voted on, with voting power tied to contributions and stake. All votes are recorded on the blockchain, transparent and tamper-proof. This system turns users into active citizens, not just consumers. The DAO institutionalizes the community's voice, letting millions guide Pi's evolution. It's a bold experiment in digital democracy, where the people truly govern their online world. For Pi to succeed globally, it must be easy for anyone to join and participate. Pi's listing on On-Ramp Money lets people in 60-plus countries buy Pi with local payment methods, removing barriers for millions. This makes joining the ecosystem simple, even in places where crypto access is tough. The core team also manages Pi's supply, recently reducing mining rates to support long-term value. These steps, easy payments and smart supply management, build a sustainable, practical ecosystem. Pi isn't just about technology, it's about real-world usability for everyone. Accessibility is key to making Pi's vision of a fair digital future a reality. A thriving ecosystem needs creators, not just users. Pi Network actively supports developers, fueling innovation from within. Pi Network Ventures provides funding and resources to teams building apps on Pi. This empowers new creators to launch projects, enriching the ecosystem. The core team fosters a collaborative, energetic culture, blending technical updates with a fun, meme-inspired vibe. Sponsoring events like Token 2049 attracts top talent from across Web3. More developers mean more apps, more utility, and more users, a virtuous cycle of growth. Investing in its creative community is how Pi plans to build a self-sustaining digital world. December 22, 2025, marks more than just a technical update. It's a turning point in the story of digital communities and collective progress. It's the dawn of a new era for Pi Network, where innovation and human connection come together to shape the future. We've witnessed Pi's journey from a simple mobile mining app to a thriving, self-governing global community, uniting people from every corner of the world. By giving users real power and a voice in decision-making, Pi is running one of the world's largest and most ambitious digital democracy experiments. Games, easy on-ramps, and interactive experiences are making blockchain technology approachable for everyone, regardless of background or expertise. Robust developer support and a welcoming ecosystem make Web3 not just accessible, but truly engaging for all who want to participate and create. Now, millions of pioneers will come together to debate, vote, and collaborate on the direction of their digital society. Each person has the opportunity to help shape their digital nation's future, contributing ideas and energy to a shared vision. This shift moves power from a central team to a truly global collective, where every voice, no matter how small, matters and is heard. Pi's story is about empowerment, about ordinary people gaining the ability to influence and improve the digital world around them. It's about giving people the tools, resources, and support to build a fairer, more collaborative digital world for everyone. As Pi steps boldly into this new chapter, it opens doors to possibilities that were once only dreams. It carries the hopes and ambitions of millions, all striving for a better, more inclusive internet and digital society. It's a bold leap into a more democratic digital age, one where participation, transparency, and trust are at the core. This is a future we all help create, together, one connection, one idea, and one vote at a time.